How to grow community for your NFT project. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can grow your own community of any project that you have created on any of the NFT marketplaces. So let's get started. So I have OpenSea.io for you guys. It's first and largest NFT marketplace, and you can launch any kind of NFT collection or project here. Or if you have launched a collection or looking to launch a collection, and if you're going to launch your collection on any of the other platforms such as Rarible, then you need to grow your community because we need to promote our NFT collections and we actually need people, a community, to help us grow our NFT project more. We do giveaways, we actually do different kind of contests in order to win free NFTs. So these kind of things actually help us grow our community. So today I'll show you how we can do that using Discord and Twitter, because Discord and Twitter are two platforms that help us grow our community and actually create a community that we want. So in order to do that, you will of course go to Discord. So at first we have Discord. You will create your own account and then you will have to create a server on Discord, your NFT server. All of the famous NFT collections have their own servers, such as Bored Ape Yacht Club. You can see right here they have their own Discord server. Then we have Takashi Murakami one. They have their own Discord server. Similarly, we have different marketplaces such as OpenSea and Rarible. Then we have a Discord server for World of Women, Cool Cats. So I have kind of like joined these different servers, and then there is also a verification that you need to do. And you can see right here on these servers, there are thousands of followers and thousands of members of these servers. So this is like a community these famous collections have built on Discord. And that's what we need to do as well. So what we do is we create a brand new server that I have created for my NFT collection as well. So you will be able to see this is one of the servers that I created, and we add different bots to it and we have different members. We can create text channels such as verification, announcement, NFT stickers, giveaways, and more. So when it comes to an NFT server, we can grow our community really easily. And how to invite people to your Discord and how Discord works? Well, the thing is, even before the launch, we create a Discord server. And once we have a Discord server, after that, we will be able to invite different people to our Discord project, to our NFT project. And once your NFT project is being launched, we can actually go ahead and we can let people know that what is the minting price and how they can mint different NFTs and how they can buy our NFTs, how they can find our NFT project and when we are going to be launching it. So first of all, Discord helps us in the launching of our NFT project. So our NFT project is already out there and we have started the promotion way before its launch using Discord. Now people start to join our Discord. How? We actually share our Discord to our project right here on OpenSea as well. And second thing that what we do is, if you're not that famous company or creator launching an NFT collection, you will have to invite people. So to grow your community, you can go to already Discord servers of different famous NFT collections. For example, I have World of Women right here. So if I scroll down to members, I can see all of these different members, thousands of people that are interested in NFT and they're actually following an NFT project. That means this is my targeted audience, and I can simply go ahead and invite them to my Discord server and my NFT project. Similarly, I can now move on to the other famous projects and invite people to join. This way, I will be able to grow my community on Discord and I will be able to grow my community for my NFT project on OpenSea. Then we have Twitter. Now, Twitter is also another platform that works really good when it comes to NFT promotions and to grow community. We know that on Twitter, there are billions of users and we don't need to create a business account or anything. You will just need a simple account. And after that, you can just go ahead and create your NFT project Twitter account and you will start launching your NFTs and you will give information. If I go to OpenSea and let's open up some of the top NFT collections and I will be able to show you their Twitter account linked to their projects right here on OpenSea. So let's go with Doodles. You can see right here we have Doodles. And if I open up the Doodles project, so here we can find their Twitter. Let's open it up. So we have the Twitter account for Doodles, which is one of the most famous NFT collection out there, with very famous creators. And you can see it has more than 300K followers. So this is like a perfect example of how you grow a community using Twitter. You can see they have more than 300K followers. That's their community on Twitter. And now what they're doing is they let people know whenever there is a giveaway on Twitter. They launched their new NFTs using Twitter. They launched their new collaborations using Twitter. They've also launched their own variables and they're giving information through Twitter. So Twitter is like one of the most essential things when it comes to creating your NFT project, and you can actually grow your community using Twitter. Similarly, what we can do is we can check the people commenting on these different posts, and we can not just go with this collection. There are a lot of other collections out there as well, and they have grown their community this way. So what we can do is now we can actually check who retweeted these things and the comments, likes, and we will be able to check the people interested, and then we can invite them to like our page and we can ask them to follow us. Similarly, we have the Twitter account for Bored Ape Yacht Club, and they're about to reach 1 million followers. So their community on Twitter is amazing. So that's what we need to do as well. Just go to Twitter and create your Twitter account for your NFT project, and you will be able to grow community for your project that you're creating. And then we can use it for the launch, for the giveaways, for more information, for the announcement, whatever we want to do. We can just use Twitter for free to do that. Similarly, we have Discord, as I mentioned before. Whenever there is a collection created on OpenSea or any other platform, OpenSea is actually a platform that I personally use as well, and a lot of people will be using OpenSea. So we can actually add our Twitter and our Discord right here on OpenSea. So these are very important things. And then of course we have our website too. But website is like people will follow you. It's good for promotion. When it comes to growing a community, then we talk about Discord and Twitter, because then we interact with people directly and we have followers and members that actually join our NFT projects and are actually interested in it and buy our NFTs. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below what was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to grow a community for your NFT project. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.